Hi, welcome to Chuck Pen Educational Academy. Today we are going to know about what is AWS. AWS stands for American Welding Society, and which was established in 1990. What is the aim of this AWS? Aim to make advancement in science and technology of welding processes. And it's just like ASNT, so its headquarters in Miami of Florida. It's a main body to certify welding professionals to perform welding related activities according to their codes, standards, specification and training syllabus. So AWS will provide the welding related activities and it follows these codes and standards to certify the person as a welding professional. What is CW, CWI, CWE? CW means certified welder, a certified welder by AWS. So it will conduct some exams and it will perform a program and which lasts from 6 to 9 months probably, but previously it was a performance based test, so no prerequisite courses or certifications are needed, but now they are giving some courses which varies from 6 to 9 months. What is CWE? Certified Welding Inspector. What is CWE? Certified Welding Engineer. The CW, CWI, CWE are welding professionals and it is given by this AWS. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel and follow my videos.